Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking! Yay, 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 yay! You know what I'm making today? I'm doing pink pizza! I know you guys have been waiting for pink pizza forever, right? I was not ignoring you, but you know, it's just too much work. I'm telling you, I'm pretty lazy one. Anyway, I've never made pizza from scratch by myself. I have no idea how it's gonna be like today. Don't even expect too much, okay? You know what? Actually, the very first job I've had in my life was working at a pizza place. I was only 15. It was not really a restaurant, but we did only deliveries. Mostly, I was putting topping on the top of pizza. I never really mixed the powder part, but today I'm using the pizza crust mix, so it should be easier. Let's start. So here, for crust part, basically I'm gonna just follow these instructions today. When you open this pizza crust mix, there's another packet which is yeast. I wanna put beets color powder. Before I put in the bowl, I dissolve with hot water. And then I add some water and put in the bowl. And now I put yeast here and wait for 5 minutes to let it dissolve completely. It's been 5 minutes. It's almost dissolving. And now I put 2 eggs, olive oil, and then we put pizza crust mix. And mix until it's all combined. I'm making 2 small ones today, so I need to split. Now I need to cover with plastic wrap. Now it's been 20 minutes. I feel like it's fluffier. Wow, like slime. I bake for 7 minutes without topping. Bigger crust. Flip. Oh my god, it's pink. The shape doesn't look good, but the color is perfect. I'm also trying heart shape. I don't know if it works or not. Wow. Oh my god, how cute. I'm gonna mix these 2 kinds and put food coloring. And you just need to toss. Now I got pink cheese. So I sliced white mushroom. I'm gonna soak with beets vinegar. Here I have turkey bologna. The sausage or ham tastes better, but I needed something a little thicker. I'm gonna show you. So with this cutter, I wanna cut. How cute is this? Look at this. I'm gonna cut out these hearts. And you know, these edges, of course I eat. Let me cut out beets. It works. This is cute. Let's put some topping. First, I put pink mushrooms and pink cheese. This is cute. This is so cute. And then I put pepperoni. It's turkey pepperoni. And I put this little heart here. Ta-da! Let's put it into the oven. Bye! Finger crossed again. Oh my god, you know what? The first one I'm already baking, but I totally forgot to put pizza sauce. Oh my gosh. So the second one, so I'm gonna put pizza sauce quick. I'll just put food coloring in white pizza sauce. It's super easy. Pink cheese. I think it's done. Let's see. Wow. Look at this pink pizza. It is so cute. Wow. It smells so good. I made pink pizza. Wow. This is awesome. Okay, so it's done. Ta-da! The round one. Let me try one while it's fresh. Look, since cheese is all pink, so literally it's pink pizza. Yeah, let me try it. Itadakimasu. It's the one I forgot to put sauce, but it's still good. Do you know what? Pizza crust is really good. Like really good. Oh my god, I don't want to order deliver anymore. Literally, homemade pizza is the best. Ta-da! The heart one looks so cute. Smells so good. This, I didn't forget to put pizza sauce. I don't want to cut it, but let me try with sauce like this. So it looks better with sauce. Itadakimasu. So good. Like I said, pizza crust itself tastes so good, delicious, like really tasty. I'm so sure with any toppings, this pizza will taste good. It's really yummy. I'm telling you, usually I'm not a huge fan of pizza crust, but this one, I did it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.